Oh my, okay. Bob, can you help me to
muscle?
do you?
One sec. There you go.
Oh, what are you having?
A little bit of UMAMU rosé, thank you very much.
Do you reckon that satay is the Malaysian national dish? Do you reckon?
One of, definitely,
One of?
aside from nasi lemak.
Oh, okay, yes. One of Malaysia's national dish. First things first
Yep.
is the marinade for the chicken. So we've got fresh turmeric, shallots, galangal, garlic,
Lemongrass.
cumin powder, and coriander powder. Then we're gonna add it to our chicken.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'll add 2 teaspoons of cumin and then 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. And then we really mix them together. And what I'll get you to do is mix
it together.
that.
Yep.
So I've got salt here, touch of pepper, sugar, a touch of soy sauce, and just a splash of fish sauce.
We're creating all that lovely umami.
You let this sit and marinate for at least 24 hours.
Okay.
We don't have 24 hours, so we're just going to skew it today.
Yes.
Okay?
So you know satay's got 5 letters. Do you remember how we came up with the name UMAMU?
Oh, no, you have to tell me again. I do remember.
You do remember?
A little bit, yeah.
So it's a name that's inspired by balance and contentment. I wanted it to be a name that was a mirror image, but with
Yes.
5 letters. After the 5 elements, the 5 senses, and the 5th flavor of food being umami.
Yes,
So
of
some
course,
people
yes,
come up and say,
umami.
are you the umami of wine? So we came up with the name UMAMU to embrace this whole balance and contentment, which the brand is inspired by.
Yes.
Just like there, balance and contentment,
Yes.
written by Dad. Love it. Shall we have a glass of
Yes,
wine
let's
while we
share a
make the
wine,
sauce? Okay. Right, now this,
What are we having, darling?
we're having the SBS 10, Sauvignon Blanc Sem 2010.
Okay.
And I am gunning for that to pair well.
So now we're going to make the second part of the satay, which is the peanut sauce. So we've got, again, usual suspects, onions, we've got garlic, galangal, lemongrass again. So notice that I'm using turmeric powder now instead of fresh turmeric. And I'm going to put 2 heaped teaspoons of chili as well. Oh my, okay. Bob, can you help me to,
some muscle?
do you,
One sec. There you go.
oh, what are you having,
A
Mr.
little bit of UMAMU rosé, thank you very much. And I don't eat food with it, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers, my love.
All right.
right.
Just hurry up, I'm starving.
So we're making the sauce now, right?
Yep.
When you fry this off, it will shrink to half. When the oil splits,
Yes.
that's when you know your ingredients are cooked.
Okay. Gosh,
Okay?
that's another good
Yes.
tip.
Now, gula melaka is palm sugar. If you don't have gula melaka, you can use brown sugar.
So, Miss Nigella Lawson of Asia, what are you doing?
I have really big shoes to fill if you call me that, Charmaine.
I've
But thank
been
you.
calling you that for years.
I know you have, haven't you?
Yes.
It's nice and thick and caramelized. Gonna put a bit of water in, because this is gonna be a thick peanut sauce. And I'm gonna put some tamarind. Now this sauce is sweet, salty, and a little bit sour.
So there's so much umami going on there, and
What does umami mean?
umami is the 5th flavor of food after salt, sugar, sour, bitter. Umami.
Umami, that's right.
Yum,
And then
yum,
we're gonna
yum.
add the peanuts. If I may, a splash of your UMAMU.
Ooh, splash away. Here we go.
It's just for luck.
Yeah.
How's that?
That's really good. That has got to be the best satay sauce I've ever had.
If Manu was here, he would say, stop being so impatient and don't touch it.
So we've got our satay. We're going to try with the Sauv Blanc SBS Sauvignon Blanc Sem. I've also got our Museum Semillon Sauvignon Blanc.
Yep.
Chardonnay.
And the rosé.
And the rosé. So much richness going on there. God. That Sauv Blanc, I mean, my mum is definitely here with us because it goes, you know.
Yep. I like it. So now.
That's good too. Try that.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's really good.
I like that with that one too. It's a slightly different dimension. There's a bit more semillon in that blend, a bit more age. This is the one wine that it started to rain when we were picking the semillon. But what's brilliant about that is we had another layer of complexity in the wine because it was picked on 2 separate days. And it's like Chateau Yquem when they
different.
Totally.
Okay. I'm learning as you are learning. Okay.
Okay, wow. So actually, try that. And there's a little bit of pineapple being brought forward. So I call that an enhancement.
They all are pretty good with this, actually.
Which is pretty good. My God, you've got a multi-dimensional dish here. Okay, so that is not as harmonious as the rest, which were pairing really, really well. See what you think.
Definitely.
Yeah? Right? So we'll pull that one out.
Yes.
Perfect.
Well, all four.
Oh,
like,
no, wait, one more we want to try. Oh
What is
my
it?
gosh.
Oh, it's sparkling
with the
wine.
bubbles. Can I share a trick?
Yes.
You hold the base, like you hold the baby, so that when you open it, that was quite loud, but that actually tones the sound down. So good.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yep.
Cheers to that.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yum.
That was delicious. That one there.
Yeah.
My favorite. My favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so pleased. For the Savvy Blanc, we had Mummy write Blanc.
Yes.
And then we got Daddy to write for Anne. And then
Oh, your parents are so romantic.
I want to share with you. So I was working one day in London with importer in England.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, he was talking with his daughter on FaceTime, Alistair. He's now an MW. And he said, oh, maybe to Rocio, his daughter, maybe one day Auntie Charmaine will put one of your sketches on her label. And I said, oh my God, Rocio, I'm actually looking for a rose. So she flicks within her pad, comes up with the rose,
Wow.
which she'd already drawn. And so that's in the back here. And then the label artist put it up as a watermark here.
Oh my
So I'm in, no
God.
favorite child, but I am in love with this particular ensemble because I love the wine.
So awesome. What a great story.
And then at the
Aw.
back,
Thinking of you with
this
love.
is with me
Aw.
thinking of my mom.
It's a lovely, lovely tribute to your family.
Brilliant. And
Yeah.
thank you for being part of the journey.
My pleasure. My absolute pleasure.
Should we drink some more sparks? Cheers to that.
Cheers to
And
that.
thank you for
man.
the satay.